Okay guys, this is the next exercise. After you get your account in the platform Voicethread, you will have to click on the link below and sign in. Just follow the blue hand. When you click on that link, it's going to appear the slide with the exercise. Try to read it, look at the example, look at the answer. And if you want to comment, Voicethread is going to ask you for signing in. So you will have to write your email account and your password, of course. Once you sign in, you have a lot of options to comment for this exercise. For example, you will have the camera and the microphone. So click on the microphone, allow the microphone in the system, and start recording your answer. Once you record your answer, just click on the uploading button and save. The answer is going to appear automatically next to the exercise in Voicethread. If you want to delete it, then you have the trash bin. So have fun.